today I really wanted to show you how to build a Lego Stickbot. If you don't know what those are, they look like this. There's also an app called like Stickbot, stop motion app or whatever. You make stop motion videos with them. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego version of a Stickbot. And at the very end, I'll show you something really cool that it can do. So, let me show you what it looks like. And here is the beautiful Lego Stickbot. And I chose it to be yellow because I just kind of like the color yellow. Stuff like that. But I really want to show you how to build it. So, let's get into that now, guys. So right now I'm going to show you how to build the not the legs, not yet at least, the head and the arms of this build. So let's start with the head, which is only 3 pieces. Take this 2x2, like slanted tile or something. I don't know exactly what it's called. Take a 1x2 with a little ball joint right there, clip it right there. Take a simple 2x2 plate, clip it right there, and you already have the head. Set that aside. Now we're gonna make the arms. So take 1x2 with this little clip thingy right there. Yeah, but clip a 1x2 with this like rail thing on the side of it. There, and a 1x4 tile like that, and you have one arm. Now you just repeat what you just did there. So now you have the arms and head. So get on and move the body, and after that we'll build the legs. So here's all the pieces you're gonna need. First thing we're gonna do is grab this 2x2 with like this. I don't really know what to call this, so I was like, I don't know what to call it, so I'm just going to show you it really well. It's like almost like wings, something like that. But I grab a 1x2 with this little clip, put it right there. That's where you're going to put the head. So now you're going to take these 1x2s with that little clip. Clip it right there. Then you're going to take this 1x2 girl plate, clip it right there. Then you're going to go into the back, attach these 1x2s with ball joints right there. And then a 1x2 run under there. So now you have the body. So let's get on to building the legs. So this is all the pieces we're going to be needing to build the legs today. And we're going to grab this 1x4 like slanted tile. That's just what I call them. Grab, also, by the way, this one has a hole in it. I just found this one. Makes really no difference if it has a hole in it or not, so I just didn't bother. Clip this, I just call them studs. I chose golden because it's one of the closest to yellow. That was the first thing I found, and it looks fine. And clip it right there, and then clip a 1x2 with ball joint. Clip it right there, and you already have a leg. It's gonna stand like that. Then you're just gonna repeat the same thing. So you have both legs. Now it's time to put the body together. Okay guys, so this is all the pieces you should have, and it can be any color you want. I just chose yellow. So first, pretty obvious, the legs go on the bottom, clip them right there. You have the legs of your Lego Stickbot, and then arms, you could probably guess, go right there. And you have to make sure you won't, if you have to make sure that the arms, like the little bar thing here, is facing forward. I'll show you why soon. And the same thing with this arm. And clip the head on. And you have your Lego Stickbot. But if you remember, you can just keep it like this if you want. But if you remember at the beginning of this video, I said it did something cool. Well, secret revealed, it can be a transformer pretty much. And I'm going to show you how to transform it. So, the first thing you're going to do, pop off the legs. Sorry about that, took a second. Then you're going to flip the arms around. Because whoops, well, that just broke. This is why you needed to have the bar facing that way. You could also just have a 1x2 right there instead of that piece of the bar. I just thought it looked better for when it transforms. Because if you had it on the other side, you wouldn't be able to twist the arms around like this. Twist them like that. See, it would like kind of block it, but twist them like that. Then do not pop the arms off like I just did. Oh, whoops, I accidentally broke it. Sorry, it sometimes breaks when you're doing this. So you're going to take this, like you did, and then, since you popped it off, push it on the other way. And then clip these right there. And right there. And you have little kind of plain, oh, forgot one step, sorry. Flip the head around. And then you have your own little, like, plane, which is kind of cool. If you ever forget how to transform it, you can always just look back on this video. So, really quick, I'm just going to transform it back. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I finished transforming it back. Only takes like 10 seconds if you're good at it, which I am since I built it. Also, I really hope you like this video, and if you notice my background, like last video I had like green back here, or maybe it was gray back here and like green plate but on the bottom. Sorry, it keeps changing. I use that green plate for something over on my Lego shelf. And if you would like to see a tour of my Lego room, then write it in the comments down below. I really hope you liked this video, and I really hope you liked your Stickbot. Hope you weren't disappointed. I definitely wasn't when I built it. So have fun with your Stickbot / transformer, and you should make a ton of them. Do some cool stuff. Make weapons for them. But see you next time, guys.